like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait.
Cat 1. Cat 2. Cat 3.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. Can't no hoe tell me shit, cause bitch I'm the shit. Oh my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out. They must forgot I was a crip. Scoop.
Hey, sorry to interrupt your playback experience. Let me take a look at what's going on. Pardon the mainframe again. You mind liking the video for me? Yeah, that should work. Enjoy. Just letting the cat out of the bag.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back. Oh, I want.
Woody.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Too much for me.
Father, I'm coming home. I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here never out with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free, like it's only you and me. Geez, got something to see. Oh, let me go home. Home is where the
You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?
Making some dough.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Ugh.
This is a bit of an awkward subject, but you realize that the humans don't bathe. I mean, they do have tongues. I've seen them. They're giant. They could clean your whole back in one licking, but they don't. I mean, this is going to sound weird because I'm so much older than you, but I have never been licked by a human. I mean, I don't need it.
There once was a cat with a hungry belly. The name of the cat was Whiskers Jelly. His throat was dry and his bowl was bare. Meow, me furry cats meow. Soon may the kittyman come with birds and mice and some taste.
You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
He wants to play with them so bad, but he's scared of their mom.
probably noticed these strange metal cylinders. It seems to be a device that the humans use to suck out their intelligence, kind of like the vacuum. But instead of sucking dirt, it sucks out judgment and common sense.
And where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Or where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is...
Here comes the whore. Hello, whore. Welcome.
Buy the dip.
Con las uñas te puedo arañar. Cat, kitty, cat, cat, kitty, cat, cat. Corta las cámaras, córtala ya. Cat, cat, catarán. Cat, kitty, cat, cat, kitty, cat.
Chaleco, eco, Amadela, 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 Amadela. Amadela, 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 Amadela.
This is a bit of an awkward subject, but you realize that the humans don't bathe. I mean, they do have tongues. I've seen them, they're giant. They could clean your whole back in one licking, but they don't. I mean, this is gonna sound weird because I'm so much older than you, but I have never been licked by a human. I mean, I don't need it. And they do have tongues. I've seen them, they're giant. They could clean your whole back in one licking, but they don't. I mean, this is gonna sound weird because I'm so much older than you, but I have never been licked by a human.
Just taking orders for breakfast, starting off with Chow. He is not a fan of chunkies in his food, so we have to find something without chunks. Next, we have Leon. He is definitely not a picky eater of any sort. And he has a little extra request of some freeze-dried minnows, if possible. Let's see if we can accommodate that. Last is Maui. She's picky. We have no idea what kind of wet food that she might like. She needs to get over it. So we're going to start off with Leon's food. We're going to get him some regular Royal Canin breakfast, add some dried minnows. We got this Tiki Cat Velvet. I'm going to give it to both cats because they don't like chunks and they might be a little picky. Let's see how it goes. You see those minnows I added for Leon. He deserves it. Dig in, buddy. You need to get adopted. Next up, I'm going to feed our handsome boy Chow, who completely ignores it like he usually does, and will eat it throughout the day. And lastly, let's see if Maui will enjoy her mousse, with a couple of freeze-dried minnows on top to see if it might entice her a little bit. And the verdict? Garbage. Absolute garbage.
Saving cats. Oh, Jesus. It's okay, buddy.
That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder!